Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today is our 6th lecture in which we'll start a new chapter which is addition within 100. So please open page number 44 of your book. Page number 44, which is section A of the new chapter addition within 100. So basically, how do you add two numbers? For example, you have 24 plus 4. So how would you add this? Whenever you have plus, that means you count on, and whenever you have minus, you count back. Okay, so here we have plus, that means I'll count on. Now 24 plus 4 means I'll count on in, it's just plus 4, so I'll count on in ones from 24. I'll start from 24 and I'll count on in ones. Okay, so 24 plus 4 means 24 plus 4. I'll count on in ones in step of 4. Okay, whenever I have plus 4, that means I'll count on in step of 4. If it would have been, if it was plus 5, I would have counted on in step of 5. If it was plus 6, I would have counted on in step of 6. So here I'll count on in ones. 24 plus 1, 25, 26, 27 and 28. You can see I moved on 4 steps, okay, because it was 24 plus 4. Here you can see 59 plus 6. 59 plus 6, I'll obviously count on because it is plus. I'll count on in ones, and what would be the number of steps? 6 steps. I'll count on in 6 steps. 59 plus 1, 60, 60 plus 1, 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. So 59 plus 6 is 65. You can see I have counted on in step of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so I counted on in step of 6. So 59 plus 6 is 65. Okay, you can do either this, you can just count on in step of whatever the number is, or you can break the number and find your answer. For example, we have 24 plus 4. So how would I do this? I'll break the bigger number. 24 can be broken into two numbers, 20 and 4. Okay, 20 and 4. Now you can, instead of using 24, I've already broken this number, so I'm not going to use it. 20 and 4, I'm going to use these two numbers. First, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, and then 8 plus 20 is 28. So my answer is 28. Here you can see I have 59 plus 6. So I'll break 59 into 50 and 9. Now first of all, 9 plus 6 is 15, and 15 plus 50 is 65. So my answer is 65. Okay, so you can break the bigger number and you can still add those. For example, I have 28 plus 20. Now here we will not count on in ones because we don't have 28 plus 2 or 28 plus 3. It is 28 plus 20. So I'll count on in tens. Okay, in step of 2 tens. Okay, first 110 plus 210. You know that 20 is what? 2 tens, right? 2 tens. So I'll count on in tens. 28 plus 10 is 38. 38 plus 10 is 48. I'll move on in steps of 2. Okay, 28 plus 10 is 38. 38 plus 10 is 48. So my answer is 48. Or you can simply do break the number. Let's break 28 into two numbers, 20 and 8. Now 20 plus 20 is 40, and 40 plus 8 is 48. So 28 plus 20 is 48. Okay, so if it is, you just have to check out whether you have to count on in ones or you have to count on in tens. Okay, here you can see 55 plus 32. What is 55 plus 32? Here you can see I cannot simply count on in ones just like this or count on in tens. It's 32. It's not 3, 4 or 5, and it's not 10, 20, 30. It's 32. So let's break 32 into two numbers, 30 and 2. So now I have tens, 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay, so first let's do 55 plus 30. 55 plus 30 means 55 plus 3 tens. So I will count on in tens, 1, 2 and 3 tens, and then I'll count on in ones, 1 and 2. So first of all, let's count on in tens, 1, 2, 3, 55, 65, 75 and 85, and then I'll count on in ones, 86 and 87. So what is 55 plus 32? 55 plus 32 is 87. First I counted on in ones. First I counted on in tens, and then I counted on in ones. I have taught you so many methods. You can either break the number, you can either break the bigger number and add, you can count on in ones and tens, and you can also simply add the two numbers directly. How would you do that? You just add the ones with the ones and the tens with the tens. So here you have 34 and 44. So 34 means 3 tens and 4 ones, and 44 means 4 tens and 4 ones. So now let's add the ones together. 4 plus 4 is 8, and let's add the tens together. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 tens and 8 ones means 78. Okay. Similarly, look at this, 56 plus 22. Just add the ones with the ones and tens with the tens. So 56, 5 tens and 6 ones, and 22, 2 tens and 2 ones. Now let's add the ones together. 6 plus 2 is 8, and add the tens together. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 tens and 8 ones means 78. So 56 plus 22 is 78. Okay, just add the ones with the ones and tens with the tens. Now it's time to solve a book exercise. Open page number 47 and 48 of your book and solve this book exercise. Okay. There are lots of ways to add two numbers. If you have to count on in ones, make sure you do that properly. If you have to count on in tens, make sure you do that. For example, if it's plus 10, so that means 1 10, plus 20 means 2 tens, plus 30 means 3 tens. Okay, and make sure you also learn how to break the big number and to do the addition using that method, or you can simply add the numbers directly, add the ones with the ones and tens with the tens. So make sure you solve this exercise on page number 47 and 48. Still, if you have any confusion or query, make sure you ask it in the Google Classroom whenever we have a meeting there. Okay, so make sure you solve this book exercise. Meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.